on weed. Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some weird shit, man.
Man, you fucking crazy, yo.
Oh, it's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
This is about half right here. And I keep on smoking by myself. And I don't think I need no one else. And you keep your bullshit on the shelf. And I keep on smoking by myself. What's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Rick Simpson oil out of my harvest, also known as RSO. So if you've ever been curious of how easy it is to make RSO, stick around. This video is definitely for you. Now let's rip our first bowl. So you could just eat it, you could use it for edible, you can even apply it to your belly button if you have some cramps, and your body will absorb the RSO and kind of ease up on the pain that you're feeling around the cramping season. We've made it before, but I made a very small batch, so today I'm hoping for a little bit more of an outcome. Here's all the items that you're going to need. You're going to need a rice cooker, you're going to need some Everclear, your trim, shake, or small butts, you're going to need a cheesecloth, and a couple of containers. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your material and you can grind it up. Mine came from the freezer, so it pretty much breaks up as soon as you touch it. So I'm gonna break it apart in the Ziploc bag. Just like that. Now you're gonna take your broken up material and you're gonna throw it into your big ass mason jar. In the meantime, while you're prepping for all this, make sure that your Everclear is in the freezer. Since I do have quite a bit of product, shout out to my girl for popping out so much harvest. I'm gonna do this to 2 mason jars right here. Also, you don't want to fill up the jar all the way because you're gonna have to like stir it and mix it, so you want to give it a little bit of room. This feels illegal. We're just gonna be pouring this Everclear to cover this, and then just mix it to make sure that all of it is soaked. Obviously, I need to go to the store and get another bottle of Everclear in order to do this one. Then you put your lid on and you throw this in the freezer. You let it sit there for at least an hour. Now, this has been in the freezer for like 2 hours or so. What we're gonna do is grab our cheesecloth, set it aside, and take a bong rip. Cheesecloth. Let's see, this is good sizing. I'm gonna cut it here. And then I got a hair tie. I'm gonna make a little indent in there. And you're gonna take your stuff from the freezer and you're gonna pour it in there. And then I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna grab more cheesecloth. And then basically I'm gonna put all of this Roundup stuff into there. With this, I basically can take it and I can squeeze it until some stuff starts coming out. Look at that. Then let's pour the rest of this in, and then just to be safe, we're gonna strain it one more time. This is a lot of product. That was worth it to do one more time. Now, and this is super important, when you plug this in and it starts evaporating all the water that's inside this to leave you that brown stuff, which is RSO, it's gonna smell real bad because this is 120 proof over here, okay? So I would suggest either putting it by the window with a fan blowing so it takes the smell out. I'm gonna plug mine in outside. So if you are able to do it outside, I would strongly suggest that because it's not a smell that you want in your house. Shout out to the beautiful Californian weather. We're gonna take our water and pour it on the side. It's a little hard to see out here, but the cook light is on. So now we just let this do its thing. Maybe a hot box style GM tent in the meantime.
Of course,